Ní go léir oscail aibsní nífa clean tú script. Ní bemid cean faoi an obergéilge I dhéanamid clean tú script. Greetings from St. Augustine's National School, Clontuscard. Today we'll be telling you about our Irish work here in Clontuscard. We like to podcast to help our reading and pronunciation in Irish.
We broadcast our news weekly in Irish. We usually make up our own news with stories about what we did at the weekend and our hobbies.
Although we are very good at Irish, we sometimes need a hand pronouncing the words. We think it helps to pair up and learn from our friends.
Díomh go léir, seo é an nuacht ó Scoil Aibsí Néfa Clún Tuaisceart Béalach na Slua. Inniu an 6 Úlad mí Manfór 2013. Tá míad go léir an seo bhain na muice. Tá an céad seachtainna críochnatha a gcuin ag Clún Tuaisceart agus bhí sé ar aos. Tá míad ag continú leis an bhliain ar fad. Slán ó ranga 3, 4, 5 agus 6 is Scoil Aibsí Néfa, ban taitneamh as an deir seachtainna.
Inniu an 6 Úlad mí Manfór.
Nus é ceart arís.
Inniu an 6 Úlad mí Manfór.
Chordagus tá sé ceart.
Nuair a tá míad críochnatha, cuireadh míad suas ar an bhlág é agus is féidir éisteach leis sa bhaile ciúin or scoileanna Gaeilge a feasú. When we are finished, we upload it onto our blog and we can listen to it at home to continue improving our Irish skills.
Nuair atá scoileoirí ag tosnú ag léamh as Gaeilge, fáin si deacrachtaí sna slí cainte agus fuaimniu, mar tá sé difriúil ó méarla. Agus tagan podcasting deisdóibh a léitheoireacht a fiabhsú, ní bháin leis an cleachta mína có, ach freisin leis an slí ina féidir an fuaimniu a ceartú. So, chuirmid suas ar an mblog é an suíomh atá ann ná clontuscart.scoilnet.ie, agus is féidir leo éisteacht leis an léitheoireacht a mína có gach oíche nuair atá siad sa bhaile freisin. When students begin reading in Irish, they often find difficulties with pronunciation, as the accented letters are different from English. Podcasting gives them the opportunity to not only improve their reading fluency, but also to correct pronunciation within the audio editing suite of Audacity. These podcasts are then uploaded onto our blog, which is clontuscart.scoilnet.ie. And the students then can listen to it at home and continue to work on their reading, their fluency and their pronunciation.